Dominican Republic, and my phone is on 5%, and that's okay because we're about to go to bed. Right now it is, Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 12:41 a.m.
Yeah, and I got to get up at 5:45 a.m. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and log. All right, guys, so I'm just now getting over here to Walmart. It's 6:00. Would you actually believe, number one, the undergarments that I had actually had a hole in them where it looks like someone tried to steal some underwear from Walmart. Okay, so I was able to get over that because all I have to do is just go back, swap it out, no problem, right? But once I actually got back, I picked up yet another pair of briefs. Here I am, I just saw briefs. I'm thinking boxer briefs. In my hand, I got briefs. So while on vacation, I was tidy whiteys, tidy blueies, tidy reddies, tidy blackies, tidy brownies, tidy army, fatigue, print, everything. I was livid. That will never happen again. You must pay attention to detail, people. Pay attention to details. But it's all good. I had a great time. Uber on the way to the airport. It's a little bit of traffic out here, but it's all good. Everything's moving real fast, you see. Rolling. It's a little bit after 8, but I think, everything is going to be good. Gonna get there. No problem. Sliding through the airport, and we're about to get to our gate. And they're gonna start boarding at 8:50, and then it's 8:47 a.m. So yeah, we definitely gotta keep moving right now. All right, yeah, my gate isn't that far away. So yeah. Still having some breakfast here. It's pretty good. Just getting bored right now. The sandwich was the bomb. Now I'm just I'm about to ask her for another one and see if I can get another sandwich out of her. Hopefully. We'll see. So happy to be back here. Yeah, it's amazing. Then on the other side of the street, we got the ocean. Oh yeah. On the way. It's hot out here. It's 88 degrees. Super hot. Almost a black jersey license plates. That yellow one. That's not what it is. kids getting out of school. Got the library back there. That's the Christopher Columbus mansion up there. Dominican Republic. It's very beautiful. I love the Airbnb. The Airbnb is actually pretty amazing. You can see the stairs leading up to the roof. And let's just check this out up here so you guys can see everything that I'm seeing here. See what I mean? Living life. This is what it's about. It's a beautiful place. It's a beautiful country, beautiful city. Look at this here. Full of life. That's why I love it here. It's amazing. Okay, and this is what my rooftop terrace looks like. So we're gonna go ahead and head down. Take you guys on this journey with me as I venture out. Okay, I had a little family here, but this is Dominican Republic at night. Amazing. Same rooftop, but now at nighttime, and that's the Independence Park right across the street. Going into El Conde, which is a really popular area in Santo Domingo. And right now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go to the grocery store and try to find some good food for a decent price. Okay, gonna stop the video right there. Guys, thank you for sharing this experience with me. Please visit Santo Domingo, Dominican Republic. Very beautiful country. Please hit that like and subscribe button. See you in part 2 when we hit the grocery store.